guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am giving you a little mini maintenance skin routine week. So what I'm starting out is with my normal nighttime skin routine using my same old. I am washing my face for 60 seconds, you guys. Y'all know I say it a lot of times, but it is worth it. Once I am done with that, this particular night we're starting with exfoliation. And this is the exfoliation that I chose. I follow the directions, apply it to my face, rub it in really good for about 2 minutes. And then I go, after rubbing that in, then I wash that off. I would recommend when it comes to exfoliation, I only exfoliate twice a week. Some of the exfoliations do state that you can do it every day, but I will recommend that you listen to your face and your skin type, because if you're very sensitive or if you're using a harsh exfoliation, it will not be good for the skin. So also be careful with the type of exfoliation that you're using, and limit it to whatever your face can take. I'm gonna start my camera there. And yes, I am still using my Dollar Tree face wipe. It is amazing. Next, we're going into a mask. I normally do my mask on the beginning of the week, but this particular week I would just really get it done when I get it done. Again, I am applying this all over the face, and I let this sit for about 10 minutes. Again, the mask that you choose really goes based off your skin type, so it's very important to look at what it does and the ingredients in it to see if it is a fit for your skin type, because none of this will work if you're just using products that are not helpful to your skin. And ironically, I am saying this as a testimony because my face was not always clear like it is now. I'm a year of having my skin be as clear as it is. Next, we are face steaming. I got this face steamer off Amazon for Christmas. I normally like to steam my face for about 10 minutes, and I listen to a podcast or a book and just enjoy. So this is basically what I do on a weekly basis as my skin routine. Comment down below if you have different regimens that you would like to try. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I hope this is very helpful. Love you guys. Bye.